Hi, Sylvia Gonzalez Pizania coming to you from Villa Finale. We're a week 2 of our painting project and we're just finishing up day 12 in total. I'm in the front Napoleon parlor. As you can see, not too much around me. We're getting ready to have this room prepped and ready to be painted sometime next week, hopefully. Right now the painters have already completed the main hall and they're finishing up in the dining room. And it's our hope that they move in here next week. So that's why we're trying to keep ahead of them, getting this room ready to go. And I'm going to give you a quick tour to show you how we've been prepping all the collections from the rooms that they're housed in to other rooms. Okay, so it's been really a challenge to move everything around in the rooms because nothing can be put back together. Each room can't be put back together until other rooms are done because we're in need of serious space, and it's not like we have a large storage warehouse or anything to move things around. So this is what you see here are items not only from the rear Napoleon parlor but from the front Napoleon parlor. So we moved everything from in here to the back. And items from the main hall. You can see the paintings have been put back. Items from the main hall are back in the main hall, but not in their place, with some items from the front Napoleon parlor, like some of the larger chairs and tables and cabinets as well. So we're moving along, but it's been quite a process, and you could see what the rear looks like right now. The floor is still covered. This is the door that the painters have been using throughout this project. And so we're moving along, but there's still a lot to do. Here's the library. You can see the library contains not only stuff from the library, but also from the dining room. We have some empty acid-free boxes ready to box some items, not only from the rear Napoleon parlor, which will need to be cleared out, and also from the library. So there's still a lot to go, a lot to do. Okay, so that's a quick update from Villa Finale. So hopefully you still keep coming back to our social media channels, not only here on YouTube, but also on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. So keep up to date and we will be updating you again soon. Thanks, guys.